What up, everybody? Today we're going to be going over Zephyr protocol. It is currently down 68% over the last 40 days. Also, Happy New Year's. We're going to go over this chart. I think Zephyr could be getting ready for some really big things for the here coming bull run that we're getting ready to experience. I'm really fond of this project. I think it's going to skyrocket. I am currently buying more CPUs and stacking Zephyr. Not going to waste your time. We're going to go over this chart. I'm going to show you how exactly I got to said chart so you guys can create charts like this for other altcoins you guys are mining or trading over the next bear market. Like always, please like and subscribe. Trying to get to 250 subscribers because that's where I want to get to. And then, yeah, check the links down below. They'll make you some money. They'll make me some money. Let's get into it. Okay, Zephyr protocol, the untraceable over collateralized stablecoin in all its literally. If you guys don't know, Zephyr is plan on having a 400% backed stablecoin. Essentially, you could put Zephyr in, you get Zeph USD and Zeph Reserve. If Zeph USD gets unpegged or too low, you can't sell your Zeph Reserve. All the funness, not really worried about that. One thing I have noticed over since its recent peak of around $52, I believe, the stable dollars and reserve shares have definitely gone down. Probably people FOMOing out of the market, as to be expected when something pumps as hard as Zephyr did. Currently, Zephyr's looking sitting at $17, which is not the best, seeing as its recent high was around 52. Currently, we're sitting at a market cap of 607, so Zephyr definitely has some room to get up there, seeing as how Monero is up there in the higher numbers. I definitely see Zephyr providing the same utility, or maybe even a little bit more than Monero, so it achieving its market cap isn't that unfeasible, which is really nice. Yeah. We're just going to go over to difficulty really quick. As you guys can see, we had that giant spike up in difficulty not that long ago, but we have kind of found some mellow grounds. There are still probably some people powering on rigs from Black Friday and Christmas and whatnot, so this could easily go up a little bit more. But unless we see another major spike up in price, I don't see that happening anytime soon. A couple of the CPUs I'm currently looking to pick up for Zephyr here, Amazon, like always, my go-to place. They have a 5900X for 330. This is one I've been looking at to pick up Zephyr here shortly. Also for 230, they have the Ryzen 7 5800X. I think these are going to be both really good CPUs to throw over on CPU mining rigs, so I'm definitely looking at picking up these two. I will have links down below in the description if you guys want to check out these cards and or pick them up. This is the ones I'm looking at. So to our Zephyr chart, we've gone over this chart many times. If you want to get caught up on where this chart is, go check out other videos. We're going to start from here. For all you lovely people who have been following along, if you haven't liked and subscribed yet, I'm severely disappointed in you. Please like, subscribe, comment what coins you're waiting to pop off for the next bull run, and don't forget to check out the links down below. Currently, FreeCash is throwing in, they have a really cool deal going on. You can make some more FreeCash, but yeah, putting all that towards GPUs and CPUs. So, first thing we're going to look at on this chart, these are our resistance levels that we drew up before. One nice thing about resistance levels is after we started drawing these maybe further back up here, and it's really nice when you draw a resistance line and you can actually see it bouncing off said resistance lines, which means it's actually working. Like I've said in my other videos, I'm not a pro chart analysis guy. I'm learning. That's part of this channel. I'm a noob. You guys are probably noobs too. We're going to learn how to chart together. So one thing I've been looking into is descending triangle patterns. And to find those, you put down trend lines. How I find my trend lines is I'll find, after a dip like this, I'll find a top and then find a top where you can get at least 3 points connected. And if you notice, we can get 3 points connected and hit our resistance line. So we're going to draw this down to our resistance. And then we're going to come over here. We'll see this really big drop off right here. We'll grab that. Oop. Or there's this really big drop right here. We'll grab this and draw it down. We can get 3 touches off of there and bring it down to our line of resistance. So if we just look at this pattern here, you can see Zephyr's been falling. It fell into this range. It fell below this range. Had it continued in this range, it would have fallen down here, but it broke up into this range. It played around in here, broke up this line of resistance. It went through, but fell back down, confirmed the resistance, falls down, hits that same line that we drew there again, bounces up, breaks that line, breaks line of resistance, comes up, can't confirm, falls back down to resistance, goes up, hits that one. So yeah, you kind of see how this works. It's called a descending triangle pattern. We will come over here. Essentially, this pattern is a consolidation that indicates a pause in upward momentum. It can either resolve to the upside or downside depending on whether or not shares are reaccumulated during the consolidation. So that means essentially if you have people DCAing into Zephyr as it goes down, that could lead to a breakout to the upward direction. If people aren't buying and just selling, miners are just like mining, selling, then it's going to lead to a downward one. Because I know Zephyr and I know miners coming into the bull run, they're probably stacking their bags right now. We also have the ETF coming out, or should be coming out here on the 10th. We'll see. That could definitely send Zephyr down to lower lows, and I will cover that here in a second. But I will also have this tradegism, whatever it's called, linked down in the description. This is one of the websites I've been using to learn trading. It's totally free. But as you can see from this chart, it's hitting that pattern that we're seeing on Zephyr. And then if we get a breakout to the upside, it can send it upwards, which is like really nice. Same with here, you can see it breaks out and goes up. But this is why it's kind of concerning, because Zephyr has until, we'll say around Thursday, January 24th, before it has to make up its mind. And then if it doesn't, we could potentially see Zephyr going back down to that 650, 675 range, which detrimental. But if we break out on the upwards, on the upside, we could easily see Zephyr. Zephyr is definitely known to hit 80% runs. So if we were to draw from here, and just did an 80% run, we could potentially see Zephyr back up around $29 by February. So that's just kind of what I'm looking at for Zephyr now. I've been shorting and accumulating all through here, like I said I would in my other videos. But yeah, that's kind of interesting, and that's kind of where I'm at with Zephyr right now. I definitely think right now could potentially be a really good time to buy, or you can wait it out. And if we break below this line, anything under here, I'm mining Zephyr, also buying Zephyr. And so yeah, this is kind of what the chart looks like. If we happen to break this line of resistance here, then I would be worried about it. And that's how you guys get trend lines on your charts. You just use the line up here, the ruler down there. That's all of it. Like always, please like and subscribe. Zephyr to the moon. Hopefully, comment that down below. We're big Zephyr fans here. So yeah, like, subscribe. We're trying to get to 250 subscribers. Check out the links down below. They'll make you some money. They'll make me some money. Peace out.